This is as punishing and grueling a match as you'll ever see.
We are going to witness brutality tonight to the likes we have never seen.
This is the kind of match where you have to fight fire with fire and go to that dark place you hesitate to admit that you even have.
Setting it up, and whoa, and a bit of a test of strength here.
Working for control, in full control. Here's Seth Rollins, look at him take over. Working for control.
And here's Seth Rollins.
Controlling the tempo.
Man, Seth Rollins, what offense.
Gets him with a counter.
Enziguri finds its mark.
And here we go now. Elbow drop. Producing a trampling. Super kick. He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far.
This is what he feeds off of.
Hurricanrana.
Seth Rollins in some trouble here.
And I'm sure a lot of people are expecting him to be the last man standing here tonight. And he very well may be. But right now, it's not looking so good for him.
Look at this. Beautiful suplex.
All setting up here.
Small package driver.
Evading possible disaster there.
Setting him up right where he wants him.
Pulls the ripcord.
Knee strike to the face.
Up and around, down with a tilt-a-whirl backbreaker.
Back in the ring again.
Ooh, right to the back. A beautiful counter courtesy of Seth Rollins. Woozy after that impact.
He's absorbed some damage already.
If he can hold the line here, he'll be in a good position.
Reverses. Can he make him pay?
Hurricanrana.
Seth Rollins blends high-flying abilities with brutal grounded strikes to keep opponents guessing. If you're an opponent, how do you find an opening?
I've faced Seth Rollins many times, but that was before his injury. That right knee is a big target now, and I'd aim all my attacks right at that.
6, 7. An incredible range of emotions here. No one knows what's going to happen next. What a clothesline! Ouch!
Going back to Seth's knee, I'm one to know that injuries are fair game, and Seth was exposed to the world when he crumpled to the ground that night against Kane.
You know, I actually agree with you, Corey. Any submission specialist needs to make that knee a priority. It also neutralizes Seth's biggest moves and keeps him from the top rope. 8. Not over yet.
Nice offense from Seth Rollins.
The Kingslayer is rolling.
Not where you want to be at this point in the match, guys.
Definitely not.
Buckle bomb!
Oh, had that well scouted. Oh, nasty impact.
Seth Rollins in a tough spot now.
He's not looking great, but never count him out. I'm no mathematician, guys, but by my calculations, a last man standing match is more than 3 times as brutal as a traditional match. After all, you only need to keep your opponent down for a 3 count in a traditional match.
8. This match ain't over yet.
What's Rollins have planned here? Oh my God, a small package driver.
Man, Seth Rollins is just relentless.
3. On the topic of traditional matches versus last man standing matches, Corey makes a great point. In matches such as this, you have to keep your opponent down for a count of 10.
Which oftentimes results in increased brutality and danger, Michael.
Super kick!
Good night.
1, 2. Man, this has been a great matchup. 4, 5. Can you imagine the pain and suffering you have to inflict to knock your opponent out?
And this match is going to continue.
Schoolboy, no, goes through.
A rolling elbow. The tension, the drama. This is electric.
Perhaps looking to take the action to the outside here.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And this match is going to continue.
Seth Rollins gets out of trouble, and quickly.
Here it comes. Rollins fans have plenty to worry about here. Seth Rollins is in trouble.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This match ain't over yet. He will go on. Seth Rollins got out of there in the nick of time.
They should count his lucky stars. Ooh, just dropped. Oh, that hurt. Rollins with the wrist trapped.
Oh, there it is. Ripcord knee. Seth freaking Rollins. Unbelievable.
But does Rollins have the wherewithal to capitalize?
He better.
Out on the apron.
Oh, this is going to be bad. This is going to be really bad. Nasty.
The hardest part of the ring. Oh, what a crash.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think he made his point. He can now admire his handiwork.
That match is worth another look. Here we go.
Here is your winner, Kenny Omega.
Here sharing every bit of that victory here tonight.
I strongly suggest Seth Rollins dedicates some more time to doing homework on his opponent. There's a lot of notes he can take from tonight.
Hey, Seth Rollins is a true student of the game.
Don't adjust your TV, folks. This Vegas crowd really is this loud.